Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how to check strint list and tuple. You can check the type of a variable in Python using the built-in type function. Here are some examples. Checking a string. Here is the output.
Checking an integer. Here is the output. Checking a list. Here is the output. Checking a tuple. Here is the output. So, in summary, you can use the type function to determine the type of any variable in Python.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.